Hey everyone, welcome back to Harbor TV. As you know, this month has been very cold and snowy, but our team has stayed busy with many projects around the marina. One of our highlights of February was the Lake Life Expo. Here's a recap. We had such a great time at the Lake Life Expo, and thanks to all of our customers who came by and saw us. If you missed it, no worries, because we have a great lineup of events the rest of the 2025 season. This includes regattas, surf demos, and lots of open houses. I'm here with Sam, and he's on our sales team, and we want to invite you to our next open house right here at the harbor on Saturday, March 8th. This is going to be an open house you want to be at because we're going to have a boat that not many people have got to see in person.
Hi everyone, we'd like to invite you out to our March 8th open house to see the all-new Cobalt R31. This is a brand new model that you won't want to miss. Also, our brands have extended their rebates and incentives from our earlier boat show all the way through March 8th, so come by and check us out.
This is a great opportunity you don't want to miss coming here to this open house. We're going to have refreshments. It's going to be fun for all ages, and make sure to come by and see the new Cobalt R31. Now let's go check in with our service department for an update.
Hi, it's Cory from the Harbor Service Department. Spring is right around the corner. If you have any questions about what you might need for spring service, we'd love to help you out. Our techs have lots of years of great service. Here they are in action. Thanks for watching this month's Harbor TV. We hope to see you at the open house in March.